Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the connection and sharing. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see in the last section, on the very first position, we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Here we've got actually the info that your device will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and your device will again ask you if you really want to do it, because it might take several seconds and you won't be able to undo this action. So it is irreversible. If you're ready, just tap on OK. And basically, if you can see this info that the network settings have been reset successfully, it means that they were. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.